Hello everyone, welcome to Joyroute. What is cloud computing? Let us discuss it in details. What is cloud computing? For a definition, we can say cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over internet, including servers, storage, database, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence. Instead of owning and maintaining a physical data center and servers, you can access these resources as a service from a cloud provider. You are basically able to rent those services on demand. In many cases, or most of the cases, you only pay for what you use. For example, if you use for 2 hours, you only pay for those 2 hours. So let us check a real life example for this cloud computing. Streaming services is one among them. Streaming services is a real life example for cloud computing. So stream services like Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, all these are real life example for cloud computing. For example, in Amazon Prime, we watch movies, web series, short films, and other videos in on rental basis. We pay rent for to Amazon Prime, and we watch videos like web series, movies, and all. So this is a real life example for cloud computing. There are dozen plus cloud vendors that are available. There are multiple vendors, multiple service providers for cloud computing. The first one, I'm just giving you the leading cloud providers. First one, Amazon Web Service, AWS, the dominant player in the market, offering a comprehensive suite of infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. And the second one, Microsoft Azure, a strong competitor to AWS, particularly known for its hybrid cloud solution and integration with Microsoft products. Microsoft Azure. And the third one, Google Cloud Platform, known for its focus on data analytics, AI, and machine learning, and its competitive pricing. And the fourth one is nothing other than Oracle Cloud, offers a variety of infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, often focusing on specific industries like healthcare and finance. So there are multiple service providers, cloud vendors. There are dozen plus cloud vendors, and in other ways we can say service providers, cloud service providers. So these four are the leading one. And in this video, we will check Azure, Microsoft Azure in detail. What all cloud services Microsoft Azure provides to us. So we are focusing on Microsoft Azure, a strong competitor to AWS. So we will log into the Azure portal and we'll check what all cloud services that Microsoft Azure provides to us. Let us check what all cloud services are provided from Microsoft Azure. So this is the Azure portal, the home page of Azure portal. You should have an account in Azure, Microsoft Azure, with a credit card to log into this page. So first thing, you'll have to sign up with a credit card and you can log into this Azure portal. Once you land on the Azure portal, you could see the services that is provided from Microsoft Azure. If you click on create resource, you could see what all resources you can create in Microsoft Azure, like virtual machine, web app. If you can customize an app and you can integrate that with Microsoft Azure, SQL database, functions app, logic app, automation, public IP addresses, and Azure backup, Microsoft Defender for endpoint. All these services are provided from Microsoft Azure. There are thousands of services that provided from Microsoft Azure. All these are cloud services. You pay rent, you pay for the services. If you use the service for 1 hour, you pay money for 1 hour. For example, if you create a virtual machine, that machine you use it for a 1 day, you have to pay money only for that one particular day. This is something like you pay for what you use. And if you go to the marketplace, I'm just clicking on marketplace, thousands of other services that is integrated to Microsoft Azure. So you can go through with the marketplace and you can see what all offerings from Azure. So this is a brief description about Azure cloud services. We'll meet in another video. Goodbye.